You guys having a good time? I know you guys are having a good time. They're having the best time. Woo! Alright. So, as I said before, we put out a record this year called Future Hearts. And I have to thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart, and I know I speak for the rest of the guys when I say this, that we are so grateful to be able to have a career that's lasted us as long as it has, and you guys continue to buy our records and support our band. I gotta say, I mean, this is the first record. We've been a band for 12 years, and this was the first time we've had a #1 record, so thank you for growing with us. So I want to play a song off of that album right now. I'm going to teach you how to sing a part of the song right now. It's very easy. It goes, oh, 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 oh. Now you. Pretty close. Yep, that's right. That's it. The song's called Cinderblock Garden. It goes like this. Wait, I think we're on to something we can't run from. Fade, but we can let it take us down this road where all the colors run together. Let's take the worst and make it better. Let's take this match and make it home. I know it gets hard for you to stay, but do you really want to throw it all away? I'm thinking we could make forever after all. Finding a goal in the darkest moments, watching the roads turning into white roses. We don't ever have to leave these walls. I need a boy with a silver lining. You'll need a girl with a Cinderblock garden. This is you. Oh, 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 oh. Louder. Oh, 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 oh. Tonight, take all the ghosts and all those skeletons you hide. Bury them deep beneath the ground, let them rest. 'Cause you were meant to bear that burden. Look at the roses in your garden. You can breathe now and forget. It gets hard for you to stay, but we don't really have to throw it all away. I'm thinking we could make forever after all. Finding a gold in the darkest moments, watching the roads turning into white roses. We don't ever have to leave these walls. I'll be the boy with the silver lining. You'll be the girl with the Cinderblock garden. Just hold out for tomorrow. Our dreams will fall, follow us back to where nothing was broken, the future was open. Let's come back again. We could make forever after all. Finding the gold in the darkest moments, watching the roads turning into white roses. We don't ever have to leave these walls. I'll be the boy with the silver lining. You'll be the girl with the Cinderblock garden. Sing this. Oh.